Okay, guys, I'm just doing a real quick video here. Okay, so I've got a Walker Razor, okay, headset right here. Goobs Outdoors and Adventures, and Dan does firewood. We've all three of us have this headset. Okay, now we use this to communicate with each other when we're running saws, and and running the chipper. But the microphone on my headset, which is this, it was really flimsy. Okay. And all you do to fix it, since there's no videos on YouTube how to fix it, I'm going to show you. So you just take the backing plate off from the headset for the microphone, and there's a little nut right there at the very corner. You just tighten it up, and it makes it so that the microphone stem is not so wobbly. And that's all you do, guys. I'll put it back together and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, it's all back together, you guys. So it's a lot stiffer now. Okay? Because before it was really flimsy like this. I mean, it wouldn't stay up. So now the microphone sticks up. We're back in business. Looking forward to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for Tazapalooza.